students, welcome to Vidya Myriad. This video is made for class 8 on chapter number 9, Algebraic expression and identities, and today we are going to begin with exercise 9.3 from Ncert. Before we begin with the exercise, I would like you to note down certain formulas so that it becomes easy for you to solve it. There is a situation when you have a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Raised to power means m and n, they are the powers. When you have same base, like a is same, in that case we add the powers in the case of multiplication. For example, if I have 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 6. Now base is same 2, powers are different and the base is getting multiplied. In that case we will add the powers. So answer is 2 raised to power 8. Second case is when you have a raised to power m multiplied by b raised to power m, which means your powers are same but base is different. Now for example, if I say your base is 4 raised to power 5 multiplied by 2 raised to power 5. 5 and 5 powers are same, base is different. In that case we will multiply the base and we will write our power as common. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8 and raised to power 5. Next very important thing is when you have a raised to power m multiplied by n, that is in bracket, it means powers will multiply, which means 4 raised to power 2 in bracket 6, that is 4 raised to power 2 multiplied by 6, that is 4 raised to power 12. These all formulas are very important for you to understand the algebraic expressions, and we will apply it now one by one in different questions. Let's begin with question number 1. Carry out the multiplication and expressions in each of the following pairs. Number 1, you have 4p multiplied with q plus r. So what I will do is, first I will open the bracket, that is 4p multiplied by q and 4p multiplied by r. It becomes 4pq plus 4pr. That is my final answer. Second case, ab multiplied by a minus b. First open the bracket, ab will be multiplied by a. There is a minus sign, so keep minus sign outside the bracket. ab multiplied by b. Now see, AB multiplied by A. There are two A's here. No power is mentioned. It automatically means 1. So A raised to power 2B minus AB square. So in the first case there are 2 times A. In the second case B is 2 times. So we have to write it accordingly. Third case, A plus B to be multiplied by 7A square B square, which means first I will multiply A with 7A square B square, then I will multiply B with 7A square B square. Now A multiplied by 7A square B square. Now there is 1A and there is 1 with A square. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So answer will be 7A cube B square plus B multiplied by 7A square B square. In this case it becomes 7A square B cube. Next question, A square minus 9 multiplied by 4A, which means A square multiplied by 4A minus 9 multiplied by 4A. You will get your answer as 4A cube minus 36A. Last option, you have to multiply it with 0. So anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So answer will be 0. Question number 2. Complete the table. Now you are given the first expression, second expression, and you have to find the product. Product means you need to multiply one by one all. So in the first case you have A multiplied by B plus C plus D, which means first I will multiply A with B, then A with C, then A with D. So I get my answer as AB plus AC plus AD. Same way I will do the next question. X plus Y minus 5 multiplied by 5xy. First case, x will be multiplied by 5xy, then y will be multiplied by 5xy, then 5 will be multiplied by 5xy. Take care of the sign. With 5 you have negative, so you will put a negative sign. Now solve the brackets. So x multiplied by 5xy will be 5x square y. Y multiplied by 5xy will be 5xy square. So what was the thing? When we multiply and you have the same base, we add the powers. Now you will say that there are no powers here. How do we come to know? When nothing is mentioned, it means 1 is the power. You can keep it in your mind. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. Like that you can do. Minus 5 multiplied by 5xy. So 5 into 5 is 25. So minus 25xy. Third part. P multiplied by 6p square minus 7p plus 5. So 1 by 1 we will multiply p with all the terms. So it is p multiplied by 6p square. You will get 6p cube minus p multiplied by 7p. So 7p square. P multiplied by 5, that is 5p. That is your final answer. Next case, you have 4p square q square multiplied by p square minus q square. Now take care here. You have same variables. You will have powers also. In that case, we will directly add the powers. Now first thing is, we will multiply 4p square q square multiplied by p square. Now if you see here, there is 4p square q square multiplied by p square. There are 2 p's with 2 powers. So powers we will add. We will write 4p raised to power 4 q square minus of 4p square q square multiplied by q square. Now there are 2 q here with 2 power. So what I will do is, it will become minus 4p square q raised to power 2 plus 2, that is 4. So minus 4p square q 4. Last part. A plus b plus c multiplied by abc. So let us multiply a with abc, then b with abc, then c with abc. So first case you will get, there are 2 a's, so a square bc. In the second case you have 2 b's, so ab square c. In the third case you have 2 c's, so abc square. And like this, we will just write your answers in the following respective positions. We have already found all the options. So pick up those answers and write in the table. Question number 3. Find the products. Now here you have first case, a square multiplied by 2a raised to power 22 multiplied by 4a raised to power 26. Now first let us multiply the numbers. All are multiplications. So for easier thing, we are taking numbers in one bracket and variable in another bracket for easy calculations. So 2 multiplied by 4, we know will come 8. In multiply by, it is a square multiplied by a raised to power 22 multiplied by a raised to power 26. Now we have same base, we are multiplying. The rule is add the powers. So in answer will become 8a raised to power 50. Next case, 2xy upon 3 multiplied by minus 9 upon 10 x square y square. Now first multiply 2 upon 3 multiplied by minus 9 upon 10. They are divisible, 2 with 10 and 3 with 9. We will be left with minus 3 upon 5. Now let's talk about the variables. We have xy and we have x square y square. So there are 1 plus 2 for x and for y also 1 plus 2, that is cube. So answer is minus 3 upon 5 x cube y cube. Next part, minus 10 pq raised to power 3 upon 3 multiplied by 6 upon 5 pq cube. Let's take the numbers together. minus 10 upon 3 multiplied by 6 upon 5. They can get cut, 3 with 6 and 5 with 10. We will left with minus 4. Now let's talk about the variables. Now p, if we see, it is 1 power and 3 power, and q is coming with 3 power and power. Add the powers will become 4. So answer is minus 4 p raised to power 4 and q raised to power 4. Last part, x multiplied by x square multiplied by x cube multiplied by x raised to power 4. All the bases are same with x. Powers are 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So answer comes to x raised to power 10. Please be careful, whenever you have same base and powers are there, you will add the powers. That is very important in this case. Question number 4. Simplify and find the values. Now values of x is given to us. First we will simplify 3x multiplied by 4x minus 5 plus 3. Open the bracket. So 3x will be multiplied by 4x, 3x will be multiplied by minus 5 and plus 3. Our equation comes to 12x square minus 15x plus 3. Now this is our required simplified equation. In this equation we are going to put the value of x as 3 as first case. So when I put the value of x as 3, it comes 12 multiplied by 3 square minus 15 into 3 plus 3. You will get 108 minus 45 plus 3. Answer comes to 66. Same way in the second case, using the same equation 12x square minus 15x plus 3, we will now put x as 1 by 2. It becomes 12 multiplied by 1 upon 2 raised to power 2 minus 15 into 1 upon 2 plus 3. Solve it. You need to take the LCM for this. You will get your answer as 3 upon 2. B part. In B part, you have simplified a multiplied by a square plus a plus 1 plus 5, and we need to find the value when a is 0, a is 1 and a is minus 1. First, let us simplify the equation. A will be multiplied by a square, then a will be multiplied by a, then a will be multiplied by 1 and plus 5. Our required equation is a cube plus a square plus a plus 5. Now for the first case, I need to put in place of a 0. So answer will come only 5. In this second case, I need to put a as 1. So 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1 plus 5, answer comes as 8. In the third case, I need to put a as minus 1. So put minus 1. Here you need to be very careful. When you have powers as odd number like 1, 3, 5, 7, in that case your answer will also have negative if negative is there. For example, minus 1 raised to power 3. Now 3 is an odd number. It means I will still have negative sign with my answer, that is minus 1. Then minus 1 raised to power 2. It is an even number. In case of even number, minus will become plus. So plus 1. Now plus into minus 1 is minus, and plus 5, answer comes to only 4. Question number 5. Now we have different set of things we have to add and we need to subtract. Let us see p into p minus q, q into q minus r, and r into r minus p. We need to add. Put the plus sign in between and we will open the bracket first. P into p, p square. P into minus q is minus pq plus q into q, q square. Q into minus r is qr plus r into r square, then minus rp. Okay. Now arrange it, open the brackets, and you will see that you get p square minus pq plus q square minus qr plus r square minus pr. Now this is your answer. Nothing can be cut from here. You can't add, you can't subtract, all are different. So what we will do is we will just arrange it systematically or properly. Means powers will come first and then we can write the other variables. So we can arrange it. Answer comes to p square plus q square plus r square minus pq minus qr minus pr. same way we will do the next questions. Add 2x into z minus x minus y plus 2y into z minus y minus x. Now let us open the bracket first. So 2x multiplied by z is 2xz. 2x multiplied by minus x is minus 2x square. Then we will put minus sign, 2x into y, 2xy plus second bracket 2y multiplied by z, 2yz, put minus sign, 2y multiplied by y is minus 2y square minus 2yx. Open the bracket and you will see that there are certain numbers which are same. So it means we will see if there are any like terms here, we will arrange those like terms. So in the first case, if we see 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy. Now there is one more minus 2xy. There is one plus 2yz minus 2y square. That means in whole we have 2 times 2xy. So please, whenever you are opening the bracket, please see that if there are any like term together, you need to solve those again. So your equation becomes 2xz minus 2x square minus 4xy plus 2yz minus 2y square. Now all are written in a haphazard manner, so we will just rearrange it systematically. So your answer comes to minus 2x square minus 2y square plus 2xz minus 4xy plus 2yz. Next is subtract 3l into l minus 4m plus 5n from 4l into 10n minus 3m plus 2l. Now from means I need to keep that number as a first term and first term will become second term by putting minus sign in between. Now the rule is to open the bracket. Write your terms in the bracket itself by keeping the minus sign in the center. So 4l into 10n, 40ln. 4l into minus 3m becomes minus 12lm. 4l into 2l plus 8l square. Okay, l into l, l square. Minus will remain minus. Now 3l into l, that is 3l square. Minus sign 3l into 4m, that is 12lm. And 3l into 5n is 15ln. Now be very careful. The next step is open the bracket. Your first bracket will remain as it is, that is 40ln minus 12lm plus 8l square, and you have a minus sign. Now take care of the minus sign. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus when you open the bracket. So it means it will become, now 3l square inside the bracket means it is plus, outside it is minus. So minus 3l square plus 12lm minus 15ln. Next step is collect the like terms together. So it becomes 40ln minus 15ln. So both are like terms. Then minus 12lm plus 12lm, they are also like terms, plus 8l square minus 3l square. Now let us solve this as a group. 40ln minus 15ln is 25ln. Minus 12lm plus 12lm both get cancelled, 0. 8l square minus 3l square is plus 5l square. We will just arrange it to get the final answer. It is 5l square plus 25ln. Last question. Subtract 3a into a plus b plus c minus 2b into a minus b plus c from 4c into minus a plus b plus c. Now we will write 4c into minus a plus b plus c as my first term and put a minus sign and write the other terms, 3a into a plus b plus c minus 2b into a minus b plus c. Now next is we need to open the bracket. First one, let us concentrate on first part, red part. It becomes minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square. This is your first bracket. Put a minus sign and solve now blue bracket. Blue one is 3a square plus 3ab plus 3ac. Again there is a minus sign and solve the bracket which is black one. That is 2ab minus 2b square plus 2bc. Now open the bracket. Now what we will do it step by step. First we will open the last two bracket to solve the question easily. Now 4 minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square will remain as it is. Then also I am keeping minus and bracket open. Now I am opening the second and third bracket. So it is 3a square plus 3ab plus 3ac will remain same. And now I am going to open my last bracket, for which I will change my sign. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, which means minus 2ab plus 2b square minus 2bc. Bracket close. Now after this, first term minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square will remain as it is. Put a minus sign. You need to open the bracket. For opening the bracket, change the sign. So minus 3a square minus 3ab minus 3ac plus 2ab minus 2b square plus 2bc. Collect all the like terms now itself. So minus 4ac has a partner minus 3ac, 4bc has a partner 2bc, 4c square is alone, minus 3a square is alone, minus 3ab has a partner plus 2ab, and left only minus 2b square. Solve it, you will get minus 7ac plus 6bc plus 4c square minus 3a square minus ab minus 2b square. For the final answer, just write in a systematic order, powers together. That means minus 3a square minus 2b square plus 4c square minus ab plus 6bc minus 7ac. That's all for this exercise, children. I hope you must have found it easy. Please do lots of practice. It requires practice because you have to do lots of multiplication with the variables and with the powers. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment section, or you can also email me. Very soon I am going to come with the next video. Till then, see you children. Goodbye. Take care.